Siamo tornati.
We are back, and we welcome you again to the second IMA webinar 2021. The formula of this second appointment, which is dedicated to the home sector, will be like the one of the first seminar, since it performed very well and was followed with a lot of interest. So we'll have a brief introduction, and then we will start right away with the technical part. In times of pandemic, home becomes the main place where you feel safe. The impossibility to meet other people freely has forced us to live locked up. And for this reason, the home is rediscovered and becomes the main asset to invest on in order to make it more and more welcoming and comfortable. Hence the strong boost to the home sector that has involved many companies around the world since the early months of last year. Also for IMA, the sales of H340 height spreader grew in 2020 and is continuing to grow considerably. For this reason, for this second webinar of the cycle IMA Webinars 2021, we decided to take into consideration the home textile sector and to present the technological solutions that IMA offers for the handling and spreading of household linen. We're talking about tablecloths, curtains and sheets, and for the spreading and cutting of upholstered furniture with a specially designed and dedicated line. As we already did with the first edition, we managed to gather the testimony of some of our customers again, and in particular, we managed to involve a large Indian group that has purchased 4 IMA spreader lines for sheets and that plans a further expansion. Just think that in 2020, it has entered into a licensing agreement with Walt Disney for the entire area of Europe with the goal of expanding its global portfolio in the home textile space. This license will give our client the right to design, develop, manufacture and distribute a wide range of home textile products inspired by the extensive character archives of Disney and all of its franchises, including Disney, Marvel, Pixar and Lucas. The client will distribute a wide range of licensed home textile products in Germany, UK, France, Italy, Spain, Central and Eastern Europe, Nordic countries and South Africa, a great goal for which we are proud to contribute with our spreading machines. Of course, the trend in the home sector is booming in Italy as well, and IMA is always available to help producers and manufacturers in order to reach their targets. I will now leave the floor to the technicians and we can get straight to the core of this webinar. I'll see you later.
Buongiorno a tutti.
Good morning everyone and welcome to our second appointment. IMA's 44 years of experience in the world of the cutting room has allowed us to develop countless technical specifications for all sectors of the textile industry. One of these is certainly that of household linen production. Today we will look in particular at the 2 most common types of production in the home textile sector: curtains, tablecloths and sheets, foam rubber and wadding for any kind of padding. In this sector, most of the companies that produce curtains, tablecloths and sheets choose to cut by hand, since automatic cutting hardly brings advantages in terms of time or quality due to the simplicity of the shapes. For this reason, it is fundamental to be able to make the cutting room effective by optimizing the spreading for each type of material used and for each processing required. As far as the production of padding is concerned, both spreading and automatic cutting are important. In this regard, we are very proud to have developed, together with a well-known Italian brand, which is leader in the production of underwear and other products all over the world, our line for padding. Thanks to the sophisticated management system, we can guarantee our automatic cutting up to a thickness of 12 centimeters of compressed foam with a cutting precision within the 1/10 of a millimeter. IMA has always represented innovation in the cutting room and has certainly contributed more than any other manufacturer to the evolution of this delicate phase with revolutionary machines, equipped with a variety of functional and innovative accessories to ensure the laying of any fabric in any type of desired processing. We can safely say that there are many innovations introduced over the years that have become of normal use in the textile production world. As far as the home sector is concerned, as we have said, it has been experiencing a strong growth in the last few years. IMA proposes a spreading line composed of a loader, a spreader, but without cutting for tablecloths, curtains and sheets, and a complete line where there is also the presence of cutting for all those so-called upholstered products. We will now take a closer look at the needs of the sector and the solutions proposed by IMA with Giacomo. I thank you and wish a good webinar.
Buongiorno a tutti.
Good morning, everyone. Usually, the materials used to be laid in the home textile companies are presented in rolls that can be both opened and closed, but also welded. According to this first differentiation, and also the working method used by the customer, we can have two different types of spreading: the half sheet, with or without clamp, and the zigzag folder roll with clamp. The most used accessories in these productions are the increased opening of the clamp for the production of padding foam, the triangle for the opening of the folded fabric with motorized spiral that allows a capacity up to 600 kilograms. The management of the spreader, also for the 890XL, is associated with a blowing table that allows, unlike the conveyor, to use the manual cutter directly on the table. So, while the machine lays autonomously on the adjacent table, the operator can already cut on the other table. As for the management and handling of the pieces, IMA has several solutions, in particular for the loading of the piece. The models designed for this sector are the 807, equipped with automatic belt for the preloading of several pieces in succession, with optional also for large pieces, and the model 805, designed and developed to ensure the loading of several rolls in succession, thus avoiding downtime for the stretcher, with useful height up to 340 centimeters, with a weight of the piece that can reach 200 kilograms each. Alternatively, in the case of spreading in 340, we have available the trolley with flap opening and pallet to spread folded fabric up to 600 kilograms of weight. As for the spreaders, the IMA home textile line consists mainly of three models: 890 version H, which guarantees great quality in all types of spreading, even for pieces weighing up to 250 kilograms. The 890B version for opening with rolls with a useful laying height of 30 centimeters for foaming. The 890XL, which guarantees the spreading with or without clamps, and both for the fabric in roll or fused of pieces up to a height of 340 centimeters. As for the automatic cutting of paddings and linings, IMA has mainly three proposals. Among the range of cuts produced, we will see today the following models: the IMA Hurricane 919-70H for cutting linings and in general fabrics, closed with a maximum bridge height of 7 centimeters. IMA Cyclone 919.99 for cutting upholstery fabrics, bridge height of 10 centimeters. IMA Tempest Plus 921, the new generation of IMA automatic cutters with EtherCut protocol that guarantees excellent results in terms of speed and precision, even for non-breathable fabrics such as eco-leather. A very useful and valuable accessory in this area is the lubrication kit that allows you to be highly productive even with non-breathable fabrics that tend to stick. In this case, spraying a specific silicone oil on the blade avoids sticking between the fabrics and keeps the blade clean for consistent quality. Having finished the focus on the technical specifications of the different IMA solutions for the home textile sector, we would now like to show you the video of the Indian customer we presented at the beginning of the webinar, who uses 4 IMA lines with 340 spreading and 805 loaders in his cutting room. He gave us a testimony that makes us proud of the work that our technology is doing in this large Indian group that produces household linen for the most famous international brands such as Walt Disney, Tommy Hilfiger, Calvin Klein, Royal Velvet, and also the Italian company Bellora. We have a video of an Italian client, Lore Casa, who has been a client of IMA for a long time. Apart from the 3 cm cutting, they bought our DigitPen IMA, our digitalization services, very easy to use, in order to make patterns for pillows and much more. Hi, my name is Bharani Kumar and I'm working in Himatsinka Linens as maintenance manager. We have installed 4 IMA models XL 340 automatic drafting lines in the year 2016. Since then, we're using the machines which are running excellently and working very accurately and precisely. Basically, we are in the home business and we use very wide fabrics that can be stretched with IMA's XL spreader that is within the product line. We have an average of 30,000 meters per day per machine. The build quality of the machine is very stable and can handle rolls up to 250 kilograms. The service team is very well trained, experienced, and very proactive. We are very satisfied with the products and services, which help us maintaining our goals and improving our quality.
Thank you.
And now we wrap up with a written testimony of our Comfy Angel client who has been using our automatic spreader with a 340 height for many years and with great satisfaction. Dear IMA company team, our company, Comfy Angel, located in the Republic of North Macedonia, specializes in the production of home textile and upholstered beddings. We use mainly synthetic materials. We produce on-site pillows, quilts, comforters, mattress covers, and all items of household linen. In our production site, we have installed your fully automatic spreader model IMA 890.13 in height 340, and we use it mainly in the production of household linen and packaging bags for our products. We use this machine to spread non-woven fabric, PVC, PE, cotton, knitted materials, and polyester fabrics. This machine has been used in our production process for more than 2 years, and we are very satisfied with the performance because it has allowed us to increase our productivity, efficiency, and quality of work in our cutting room. So we highly recommend it to every manufacturer in the home industry. We wish you a lot of success in your future and are extremely happy to see you accomplish great things.
Ora siamo proprio alla fine.
Now we have really come to the end of the webinar. We would like to thank you all for your attention and the large participation in our second webinar. If you have any questions or would like to discuss any topic in greater detail, we are always available both on our IMA and via email. We thank you and look forward to the third appointment of the cycle IMA Webinars 2021 to be held in September, which will be about the swimwear and underwear sector in general.
Salve, alla prossima.
Goodbye, everyone.